Here we are, and it's now Tuesday, and we just got down to Swanage. Look at this lovely round here. Scenes, loads of boats around here. There's a boat down there, look. There's Cole.
Hello.
There's Cole, my
Seaside. You can smell it, can't you?
yeah, you can smell the salt, can't you? And as you go round here, you've got the shops round here, down the bottom there. Look at the view though. It's lovely, lovely view. So we just arrived. We parked the car right here, so it's quite easy enough to walk around. It's beautiful.
Okay, cheers then. Okay, bye-bye. Bye.
Look at that. It's not bad, it's quite warm today here. Smell the salt, can't you? Sea, yeah, you can smell it. I've been to Swanage before, but it is nice here, I must admit. Anyway, we'll do a bit more filming in a little while. Building over there, they're doing up. Over here. I'm on video at the moment. This is a sea bar, isn't it? Up there. Everybody's bloody coughing and sneezing, aren't they? Eh?
Yeah.
Literally. Walking along this bit. I'm going back to where the car's parked now. All viewing over here. Here we are at Swanage. We just come back from down there. Look at the view. Now the tide's gone out. It's just gone out all the way there. There's a seagull there, look. Seagull, look. Seagull. Boats over. Look at that lovely view over there. Walking up here now. Me and Carl walking back towards the car now.
Crab won't be moving for much longer.
There's a walk, but the view here is really nice at Swanage. Got a bit longer. There's somebody working there. I don't know what he's doing. Picking up crabs, I suppose. Along a bit further.